Folks, another cool night across the valley as your temperatures in most areas have fallen back into the 50s. Edinburgh's 57, Westago's 55. Still holding at 60 in McAllen. That's the warm spot. That in Port Isabel at 62, but everybody else considerably cooler. And overnight tonight, we should all bottom out in the 50s. You'll go down a couple more, and some places have already leveled out. 62 at the beach, 56 in Brownsville. And then tomorrow, we stay a little cooler because the clouds thickening up. In fact, they're in the process of doing that right now, and they're going to stay thick most of the night and most of the next couple of days. Easterly winds about 7 to 14 during the daytime tomorrow. Normal high for this time of year 75. Won't get there tomorrow. We'll get close on Thursday and probably above that on Friday. Friday, the warmest day of the next several, but it's going to take a while to get up to that above average temperature. Now, this is cloud cover picture tonight. If you watch carefully, you see some clouds beginning to encroach on our skies once again, and future tracks suggest they'll be there all night. Most of tomorrow will be overcast. Can't rule out a sprinkle, but I don't think we'll see anything measurable, and if you do get a sprinkle, you'll be one of the lucky ones. The clouds will be the issue. And as we go into Thursday, even more clouds than that. I think as we get into Thursday night and Friday, that's when our rain chances really begin to show up. This is 2 a.m. Friday, already seeing scattered showers, and there's 7 a.m. More stuff out there. Noon, almost everybody gets in on the act, and maybe a little rumble of thunder or two kind of mixed in. When you get into the yellows, that's a sign you get some pretty heavy stuff going. This suggests that by Friday evening at 5, it tapers off, but when a front comes through later on at night, there's another shot at a shower or a thunderstorm once again. So we're dry tomorrow, 20% Thursday. We've bumped Friday up to 50% now, and really it's from Thursday night through Friday night. It's about a 24-hour window in there when there's potential for some decent rain. We're going to be on the edge, the big rain to the north of us, but at least some possible here. Look to the north, 36 in Abilene, only 24 in Dalhart tonight. Let's get to what's going on. Upper level winds out of the west right now, surface winds out of the southeast. That pushes a lot of clouds in. Tomorrow, not much happening, just more clouds. Thursday, even more clouds, and by Friday, the big upper air storm makes its way this direction. Rain, ice, snow across Texas. Lots of rain in parts of Texas. That lasts into Saturday and then pushes out late Saturday into Sunday. But look at how much rainfall we're talking about. Down here, probably less than an inch. But when you get up to the north, look at this bullseye over East Texas. 2 to 4 inches. Some places could see more than that. So it could get a little messy in Texas beginning late Thursday and lasting all the way into Saturday. For us tonight, increasing clouds, kind of cool, 53. Tomorrow back up to 69. Plenty of clouds all day. East-northeasterly winds at 8 to 16. Back to 79 degrees, but thunderstorms a possibility on Friday. That carries into early Saturday, but by the end of the day, probably some sunshine. Then Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, partly to mostly sunny. Only low 60s for highs and lows down into the 40s. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.